Hello, today we will guide you through how to short sell on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Short selling means you're aiming to profit if a price falls, and it typically involves contracts for difference on this platform. Because shorting uses leverage and margin, losses can exceed your initial stake, so proceed carefully and only with money you can afford to risk. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app and sign in. Make sure you're in the CFD mode rather than the invest mode, since short selling is available through sets. Use the search bar to find the asset you want to trade. The example on screen shows a sample instrument, but you should select the specific stock, index, or commodity you intend to short. Take a moment to review the instrument's overview, including the spread, trading hours, and any notices that might affect availability. Next, open the instrument's page and choose Sell. This action prepares an order to open a short position. In the order ticket, set your position size by quantity or value. Pay attention to the required margin and any displayed costs. If the market is open and you want to enter immediately, you can place a market sell order. Otherwise, you may prefer a conditional entry. If you want the platform to enter your short only at a specific price, choose a limit or stop order. A sell limit will place your entry above the current price, useful if you want to short at a better price after a bounce. A sell stop will trigger below the current price, useful if you want confirmation of downward momentum before entering. Set the exact trigger level and check the estimated margin. Before submitting, configure take profit. For a short, your take profit price is below your entry. This automatically closes the trade if the market reaches your target, helping you lock in gains. You can set it by price, distance, or percentage, depending on what's available on your ticket. Then set a stop loss. For a short, the stop loss price is above your entry. This is your safety net if the market moves against you. Adjust it to reflect your risk tolerance and the asset's volatility. Some instruments may offer advanced protections. Use them if appropriate. Finally, review your order summary, entry type, size, margin, take profit and stop loss, and click Place Sell Order. Once placed, monitor your position in the platform. You can modify your take profit or stop loss later, or close the position manually when your plan is met.